Okay, hello guys. Good afternoon. Yeah, welcome to another session of No Code Africa training. Okay. Um, Joy, welcome. Bami, welcome as well. Yeah. So it's good to see you guys. Let's wait for some time to see if we can have like a couple of other guys joining. Let's just give some time. Okay, yeah. Hello, guys. Yeah, once again, good afternoon. Welcome to another session of No Code Africa training. So I really want a lot of persons to attend, especially today's session, because it's very difficult for me to respond to assist anyone on WhatsApp. Because if you send me a video or you send me a chat or a screenshot, it's really difficult for me to be able to figure out what is really wrong with your project, what is not making it work. But if at all we have a session like this, and then I bring you to the studio, you share your screen, that way I will be able to really assist. So it's going to be labs plus I will just show you guys something simple, how to automatically bring in files into your Firebase automatically without having to do it manually like we did yesterday. Right, so let's wait for a couple of minutes again. All right, just stay put. Let's see if we can have more people. Okay, so all right. I think we have waited enough. We can actually get to start the class. Bethan, welcome. Coach Peter, welcome. Lintochi, welcome. Bami, welcome. Joy, welcome. Abudan, welcome. Okay, so I think those are the people we have so far. Let's see how we can start the class immediately. So I will need help, right? Yeah, I need some help here because um I just noticed that my free trial really, and I can't really like subscribe for these like immediately. My free trial for Firefu, we're supposed to use Firefu for something, which is basically to help import files from uh, like automatically into Firebase. We're supposed to use Mockaroo, then we use Firefu, and and then just get it done. But I just discovered that I have exhausted my free trial, and right now I can't pay. I don't know why I can't pay. Um, so please just give me a second. Let me see what is happening here. Uh, okay, so all right. So let's start like this. Joy, I don't know. I think I would like to have you here in the studio. You're going to do some. I will guide you on things to do, and then you will just present your screen because uh, I am out of subscription right now for that particular software, and I still need us to make the video, like have make the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to drop a link for you to join me in the studio. Joy, please join me in the studio so you can share your screen, and then I will be guiding you on what to do, and you will do it from your end, and everyone can just watch. Okay, so it's still labs. Okay, so yeah, let's call it. Let's look it like that. So you're doing it from your end. Yeah. So I think that's like it. So I would have done it from mine, but I have issues with that right now. So Joy, please check the link I just dropped on the comment section, and please click it and join the studio because I'll need you to share your screen if it's convenient. If it's not convenient, just let me know. If it's not convenient, then I can ask anyone else to join the studio so that we can, like, the person can. Okay, all right, Joy. Okay, Joy, welcome. Can you hear me? Hello, Joy, can you hear me? Uh, Joy, I think your mic is fine, but I've added you to the stream, but okay, I'm hearing some sound. On. Can you hear me, Joy?
Can you? Yes, I can hear you.
Hello. Okay. Can you share your screen? Like share your screen, then I will guide you on what to do. So, guys, what we're about doing is I want to show you guys a simple way of, getting like importing files from your like importing files automatically into Firebase without having to do it manually like we did. So, Joy, just try and share your screen. I will push it into the stream here. Like when you try to share your screen, you'll see a button here that says present. So you click on it, then you will see share screen. You click on it, then you click on share screen. It will ask you which part of your screen you want to share, whether it's your window or a particular place. Just um, click on it. Let's look at it. Yeah, we can just spend like roughly 5 to 10 minutes on that. And Joy, are you having issues with sharing your screen? Okay, so Joy, can you hear me? Okay, so I think Joy might be having some technical challenges from her side. Um, Bami, are you like available to join in the studio? Bami, if you can hear me, you're available to join on the studio because I need someone to quickly share the screen, and so I can guide us through the process of importing files automatically into. Okay, all right, Bami. Joy, I will have to take you off the stream. Okay. All right, Bami, please check the yeah. Please click to join and try to join the studio so you can share your screen. And that's it. So you're going to join the stream and share your screen. I will add your screen to the stream, and you can share your screen so we can like go through the very first part of today's lesson. The first part is just very fast. I just want to show you how to do the whole importation thing into Firebase like really fast. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Bami, we're waiting for you. So while we're waiting, I hope you guys are all doing fine. Delphine, welcome. Monday, welcome. Idong Sid, welcome. Ben, welcome. Jesu Joba, welcome. Okay, so Jesu Joba is here. Okay, so Bam is like you're having issues. Oh, okay. Jesu Joba is out again. So Jesu Joba, if you can share the screen, really, I just want someone that can quickly share screen. Jesu Joba, if you can join the live stream, just like you did, you can click to join and share your screen. I will guide you on what to do, and then everyone here can learn how to import the files into Firebase. Please, let's do it quickly. All right, Joy, sorry about that. Um, Jesu Joba, are you available? Bami, please, let's do it quickly. I don't know. Is it convenient for you guys? Okay, so Jesu Joba, I'm adding you to the stream. Please share your screen. Bami, sorry about that, but sorry about that. I think maybe the network from your end. Just Joba, if you can hear me, please just share your screen. Just Joba, unmute yourself, like you are muted. If at all, okay. So I have, okay, I can't. Okay, I can't unmute you because you choose to mute yourself. Okay, so please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself so you can be saying something and I can be hearing you.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Good afternoon. Good
Good
morning.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Anyone works, it's good evening actually, so but it's okay. So let's no, we're going to Firebase. Let's go to Firebase, not FlutterFlow. Go to Firebase.
Okay.
Yeah, just go to your Firebase file. So guys, what we're about learning right now is how to import files into Firebase automatically using Mockaroo. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna just mute you just about for now. When I need you, I'll unmute you. So so guys, we're trying to see how we can learn to import files into Firebase automatically. If you can remember what we did yesterday, we did like manual typing. We were just typing it manually. Yeah. So so it didn't make a whole lot of sense, and so I just decided that we should go ahead and then have the whole tutorial for doing the automatic importing of files into Firebase. All right, so we are here in Firebase. The next thing I want you to do is go to your browser. Okay, you're already on your browser. Open another tab and go to search. Let me type the. Let me copy the link and paste it. It's mockaroo.com. So I'm dropping the link on the comment section. So it's Mockaroo. That's MOCKAROO.com. So Mockaroo.com. So you can click to to access the link, like open another tab and go to mockaroo.com. Yeah, I don't know how else to pronounce it. Yay, that's it, mockaroo.com. Okay, so we are currently in mockaroo.com. What we need to do now is, guys, if you can remember, so let me quickly open the Firebase console for the project we were working on yesterday, and that was the Tinder project, right? So which of the files did I use? I think I used this one. Okay, so let me go back to see all the different things that we use. So we're doing so much of, I think it should be this one. So we're using so much of manual methods. We're using manual methods to just try to type in stuff. Like it didn't make a whole lot of sense, right? So yeah, we had like 4 users. We had 4 users, yeah. So okay, so in each of the fields we had age, each of the documents we had age, bow, desired gender, display name. We had email, we had gender, we had location, we had matches. Now for matches, I think that's the only thing you will do manually. Yeah, that's the only thing, and I don't think that's really so stressful. So matches and rejected, they are arrays, so you will just have to do those ones manually, right? So right, I think that's it. Yeah, so okay, so let's try it out right now. So Jesu Joba, what you do is go to, yeah, that very first part, change it from ID, use age. All right, it's, yeah, so now click on that row number. No, just click on the row number. Yeah, so search for number, like where, like, yeah, just type there and search for number, then pick this particular, pick the one here, this other number here, no, the one on the, yeah, that one, just click on it to pick it. So the idea is you're also setting some form of I don't know, some form of data type for it. So max is 100 decimals and all of these. Okay, so that's fine. Then the next options that we're going to have is display name. So change that first name to display name, so it matches what we are using in our database. So display name. Okay, so display name, click on there. Yeah, click on there and search for name. Okay, so it's showing you a lot of names here. So go to, well, we can always use maybe only first name, but let's say search for full name. Okay, see full name here. Yeah, click on it. All right, so we have full name. Then the next thing is, let's click on bow. Yeah, click on bow, BIO. You just type bow, then click on the other part, the right hand side of it, and search for bow or something. Just type BIO and let's see if we can have. Now the idea is there's nothing like that. Check for description. Just type description. Oh, we don't have. Okay, so all right, so I think we can just leave that one. Yeah, so leave that one, cancel it, close this screen. Yeah, okay, thank you. Then instead of bow, let's see, put desired gender. Okay, hold on. We're looking for data, right? So basically Mockaroo is going to help us to import data. Technically, they are fake data of different things, both emails and location. All right, so basically I think what we can only use here is let's go for, we've done name, let's do email and location, right? I think that's it. So yeah, change that to email. Okay, sorry, we already have the email field. Put that one, put a location over there. Just type location. Yeah, so location. Yeah, then click on the right hand side of it. That's one. Then search for location. Okay, so type country instead. Okay, so choose, click on the country row. Yeah, all right. So it will give us random data for, so we have random data for age, display name and location, email address will work. Then gender. Okay, so we already have gender. Let's see. So gender is gender fine, but it's going to give us male or female. And we were using M or F. So that might cause a little problem, but no problem. We'll still generate it. You can just click to edit that. So then the next thing we could just do here is, let's look at, so we have that. Okay, so look for, put photo ID. Yeah, go for photo ID. Change that IP address to photo ID. So at least with this one now, photo underscore ID. All right, then click on that and look for, let's say photo. If you can't find photo, then you search for images. Okay, so say images. No, say, okay, they said base 64 image URL, dummy image URL. Say, okay, what should we type there? So if it's not images, it should be what? Pictures. Can you try pictures? There's no pictures. So there are no photos. Okay, so let's say, please hold on, let me check from my end. Okay, so this is images, and click on this and we say, okay, it's not there. It's sixer. Okay, so but now it's supposed to mix it. It's gonna mix it male and female, I think, right? Okay, so I think the only one we have here is going to be that image. Go for image, right? Go for image. Like go for image. Like click on the base 64 image URL. Yeah, that one. Okay, just give me a second. Let me confirm that. Okay, so okay, so I haven't tried for image before, but I think it should work. So now we have the following data already. These are going to be like randomly generated fake data. Okay, so what we now need to do is just we need to go ahead and then specify the number of data we want to generate. So here in this case, where you see rows beneath the page on the bottom left hand corner, like you see that it's written rows, then you have 1000. So just change that to, let's say, 10. All right, so we need something small. Just a job, have you seen it? Yeah, that part. Just change it to, okay, make it 20. Let's make it 20. All right, so 20. And then great. So the next thing we are going to do is okay, so go ahead, and then the format is already available, and it's CSV. That's the format we want to download. So go ahead and click on download data. So it's going to download the data as .csv. It's more like a spreadsheet kind of thing. So I believe it has downloaded. So if it has downloaded, what you need to do now is let me send you another website where you can, like, another website we're going to use. So we're using basically two platforms, Firebase and Mockaroo. Okay, so I am. Oh, okay. So Bami said there's an abbreviation for gender. Okay, so just Joba, please click on the gender again. Let's see if we can find an abbreviation. Okay, so type gender again. Okay, all right, yeah. Go click on the abbreviation part of it, gender, M and F. Yeah, let's use that one. Please download again, and when you're importing it, use that particular one. Okay, so yeah. Now we have downloaded again. All right, Bami, I'm really excited about the support. Really makes a whole lot of sense. Please add another field. Add another field. Let's use paragraph like Bami said for bow. Add another field, then change it to no, just change it to no, close that one, and then yeah, change it to bow, and then click to look for paragraph. Okay. All right, so yeah, we can click on the paragraph. I think choose randomly from lorem. Okay, yeah, that's okay. It's gonna give us some basic stuff. So let's say at least one, but no more than three. Okay, that's fine. So you can go ahead and download this particular one. Let's use this. This is the most recent. And Bami, thank you for that. And so the next thing we can do now is I've dropped a link on the comment section. It's firefood.app. So fire as in normal fire that hurts and is used for cooking. So FIREFOO.app. So firefood.app. Now you're going to download the trial version. So you just click to download the trial version, and automatically it's going to detect the session that you're on with regards to your Firebase. So you won't need to sign in at all. I don't think you will need to sign in. Okay, so yeah, click on the download free trial. All right, so download free trial, then okay, so we're going to soon be done with this so we can take on the real labs. So when you're done with downloading the free trial, just go ahead and then install the application. Either you run as administrator or just normal running, like the application. It's gonna take you a couple of seconds to install it, like just really fast. And then from there, we'll just do some basic clicking here and there, and we have our file inside. So okay, all right. So Jess Ojeba, where are we? What state are we at? Have you installed the application? I'm going
Yeah, I'm about to.
Okay, all right. So install, then from there let's see how we can run it. Meanwhile, guys, for the guys that have some issues with their projects, yeah, so I can see guys that reached out to me. Where is it? Okay, so I can see Delphin. Yeah, so Delphin had reached out to me on WhatsApp. So I don't know anyone else that has issues. So the guys that have issues, so you can just drop like, okay, so I want to make a presentation, so I can allow you to come to the studio, right? And then you can make a presentation like this and let us know your issue, and then we will stay here and try to solve it for you. All right, so while we're trying to solve one problem for one person, it is expected that the rest will also be learning at the same time. So
I've
just
installed it.
Okay, great. So now in your Firebase, can you go back to Firebase?
Yeah.
Okay, so when go back to Firebase, let me see. Click on Firestore. Click on Firestore, Firestore database. No, Firestore. Okay, so I want to see whether you had already created like at least one document. You had not. Click on create database. We need to create the database. No, just click on create database there, that button, yes. And start in test mode. Let's hold on for a couple of seconds. Start in test mode, and next, enable. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. So we are here. What we need to do now is simple. Okay. So we have these now. So what we are supposed to do, like simply, is okay, so now it happens that you had not already like initiated the creation of at least your first user. So, and of course, it is not our practice to create user collection directly. Like so, just click on start collection and create just one collection. Let's call it user details. Okay. Now, this is outside our Tinder project. So for the Tinder project, just follow the procedures that I gave you. So, but here, I just want to show you how to bring things inside. So after this, I will show you how you can, just call it user details. Yeah, details. Yep. All right. So click on next. So this is where we just created, then click on auto ID. All right. Don't feel anything. Don't feel anything. Just click on save. Just let's leave it as empty. Okay, so all right now, but in your Tinder project or any other project, let's say for your user collection, I will show you what to do. I just wanted us to have like at least one collection, and then we now have a document created. So it is a must that you have to have at least one collection and then have a document, at least one document, but it should be empty. All right, so then now that we have done that, let's go to Firebase, like what you just installed. Let's go to Firebase and then power up Firebase. Let me show you what to do. Okay, so Coach Peter, I've seen you have a problem with you have an issue with your project. Please, who else has an issue with their project and wants to make a presentation? So Delphine, I think you would want to make a presentation, right? Please just indicate again, just so that I can be sure. And please, anyone else that wants to make a presentation, please just let me know so that we can just know how we're going to go about doing it. Okay, so can we see the application? Like just Jabra, is everything okay? Because we were almost done. Is everything okay? I just unmuted you because I wanted you to talk. Is everything okay?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. So this is Fireful, right? So it tells you to sign in with sign in with Google. Use the exact email you used in opening your Firebase console, please. Use the exact email you used in powering up your Firebase console. Okay, so all right. Okay, so this works. Now I think it shows us here which of the application is this. This says user phase, then user details. Can you click on the user details? Let's see. Click on the user details. Okay, it has one document, which is this is the details. This is the collection we just created. So the next thing I want you to do is sorry, I'm going to mute. So the next thing I want you to do is click on come here towards the, how do I put it? There's an icon here that looks like upload. Come to where we have one docs. No, the other one. Okay, that one is exports. The other one is import. Yeah, I think that's the button you should click on. Click on it. I think they've changed their interface. Then go select the file. We need to go and select the file that you just downloaded. So click on where can you click? Just click on, I think, the data file path. Data file. Let's click on that. Yeah. It will ask you to, so locate where the file is in your system. Then click it to upload. Okay. All right. So now that is it. Then click on import. And it is currently importing. It has finished. It has done 20 writes. So what you just need to do is there's an icon for refresh just on top a little bit of this screen. You can close this window now. That's close the window, that small window. Then go up there. You see an icon that looks like refresh. It's close to that icon for star, icon that looks like star. There's click on that to refresh. Okay, so that's it. So now you've been able to import data into your Firebase automatically. I think it's easier that way, right? So go to your Firebase now, and then you'll see all the data inside. go to Firebase, and then you see all the data inside. So I just wanted us to see this particular part so you can use it in your projects or while you're still learning. So please help share your screen again, and let's just see the see your Firebase and just know that it had worked. Okay, so Ben wants to okay guys, so that's it. So you can click on each of the documents and see the complete the fields. So please click on each of the documents so we can see the fields. So that's it guys. So we have the photo IDs, the location, the gender, the email, the display name, the bow, right, and then the age, right? So you can add the other things that you want. I don't know how you can add an array using Mockaroo. That's why we didn't add matches and the other field. So that's going to be the end of that particular presentation. Okay, so thank you very much, Jesu Joba. I really appreciate your support. Meanwhile, did you have any problem of your own, like any challenge with your project so that you could present at once?
No.
Okay, no issues at all. All right, thank you very much for your assistance. I really appreciate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay, so at this point, I would like to start with Coach Peter Felix. That's the name that I'm seeing here. I hope it's okay. So so please click on the the link to join the studio. Please click on the link to join the studio because it is in the studio that you'll be able to share your screen, just like Jesu Joba did. And with that, you can easily like share your screen, and I will be able to offer assistance to you. Like we can walk through your project and try to run some diagnosis to know what went wrong. So, Coach, please. Okay, I'll just call you Peter. So, Peter, please. Can you? Yeah, great. So I can see you here. I'm adding you to the stream. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Great, I can hear you too. All right. So please, can you try to share your screen so we can try to offer assistance to you?
Okay, I'm about to share my screen.
All right, no problem.
Yes, I'm doing that.
Okay, all right. So I've added your screen to
All right.
yeah. So okay, so we can see your screen. Go ahead and let's go to
Yes, I'm doing that.
okay, sure, no
Okay,
problem.
all right. So
I've added your screen to
all right.
yeah. So okay, so we can see your screen. Go ahead and let's go to
Yes, I'm doing that.
okay, sure, no
Okay,
problem.
all right. So
I've added your screen to
all right.
yeah. So okay, so we can see your screen. Go ahead and let's go to
Yes, I'm doing that.
okay, sure,
Okay,
no problem.
all right. So
I've added your screen to
all right.
yeah. So
Okay, I don't
okay,
know if I
so
can run this now.
we can
So
see your
that
screen.
we
Go
can
ahead
see.
and let's go to
Yes, I'm doing that.
okay, sure, no
Okay,
problem.
all right. So
Okay,
I've added your screen to
yeah. What were you saying?
I think this thing. I don't know if I can run this now.
We can
So
see your
that
screen.
we
Go
can
ahead
see.
and let's go to
Yes,
no, just go to the what is it called? Go
All right,
to
so
your
I've
FlutterFlow
added your.
project. Yes. Yeah. What were you saying?
I want to run it. I don't know if I can run this now.
We can
So
see your
that
screen.
we can see.
Please hold on. I think I'm having some
just
glitches on my end. I'm hearing myself. Just hold on, please.
Go to
Your FlutterFlow
your.
project. Yes. Yeah. What were you saying?
I want to run it. I don't know if I can run this now.
We can
So
see your
that
screen.
we can see.
Please hold on. I think I'm having some glitches on my end. I'm hearing myself. Just hold on, please.
Go to
Your FlutterFlow project. Yes. Yeah. What were you saying?
Okay, so I think run it. I don't know if I can run this now.
We can see your screen. Please hold on. I think I'm having glitches on my end. I'm hearing myself. Just hold on, please.
Go to your
FlutterFlow project. Yes. Yeah. What were you saying?
Okay, so I think run it. I don't know if I can run this now. We can see your screen.
Please hold on. I think I'm having a glitch on my end. I'm hearing myself. Just hold on, please.
Go to your FlutterFlow project. Yes. Yeah.
Can you hear me
What
now?
were you saying?
Okay,
I think you can run this now. We can see your screen.
Please hold on. I think I'm having a glitch on my end. I'm hearing myself. Just hold on, please.
Go to your FlutterFlow project. Yes. Yeah.
Hold on. I think I'm having a glitch on my end. Okay, so the thing is this, I have been yeah. So I was even wondering if it's from my end. So Peter, please, if you can hear me, close the YouTube tab that you were watching the whole presentation from. Please close it. Please close the YouTube tab. Yeah, close the YouTube tab. Then from there, I'll add it back to the stream because it was echoing. I even thought it was from my end, but it isn't. It was from your end. So I will add you back again, and please let it be that you have closed it.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Okay, yes, I can hear you now. Okay, so yeah,
Okay.
Let's go back to
It's
your
better now.
FlutterFlow project. Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, when I created, let me log out. I created, there's a place it shows the blank, is it the blank stuff now? Not the blank as, this part. So how
Okay.
to go back to this home part now is not going back.
No, you
If
can't
I
go
log
back.
out and if
You
I
can't.
signed out, when I signed out and I log in new user, it will still bring out this part until I
No.
fill a new form.
Okay, hold
Do
on.
you
Let
get
me try
that?
to understand. Yeah, hold on. Let me try to understand what you're saying. So you say that when you run out of options, like when your user runs out of options, right? It shows the
Yes.
blank screen with the warning saying out of options. Good.
Yes.
Now, when you sign in a new user, like you log out and sign in a new user,
It will bring out this page as a default page.
if it shows that page as a default page, it means that there are no users for the user to get matched. That means you've already exhausted, you've clicked it before, you've matched that user before.
No, as in, let me create a new user now, right? Let me just quickly create a new user, sign up. So it's, once I sign up, it will bring me down to this out of options.
Okay, it shows you out of options, even for new
Yes.
users. Go to your
Yes.
database, let me see. Go to the database, that's Firebase. Just go to Firebase, let me see. So the new user, then try to identify the new user you just created. Go to the new user you just created.
Okay, this is the new user.
Okay, so this is the new user, and okay, so the reason, I think one of the reasons why this is not showing is because this user does not have it doesn't have field for matches.
Okay, so once I fill the form, it will bring out the options
Yes.
automatically.
Yes. So if all the available fields are provided, because we
Okay.
made conditions when we were trying to like create actions for it, saying that it should use those things. So now if it doesn't see those things, it will assume that the element is empty, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
like that's basically the problem. So if you can complete your form, like complete your form for signing up, what is it called, like registering users, like setting up their profile, like complete it and then set up everything. Is the form working? Like, did you finish it?
Yes, I'm done with the old stuff. It's working.
Okay, all right. So gender MRF. Okay, then okay, so now there's one thing. Yeah, I know this is gonna work. So okay,
Okay.
it's working now, you see. So
Yes.
it now has the required field it needs to be able to function well because of the logical statements that we made before. So that's basically it. I hope any other
How
person that
about
had.
adding a new profile picture?
Okay, so let me show you how to do that.
Okay.
um Go to what should we do right now? Now go to your FlutterFlow project. Yes, let's go to FlutterFlow. All right, so guys, please just try to learn from what is happening, and it might also be like a question that you had lingering in your mind or in your project. So go to the main screen, then go to, okay, no, go to this thing, go to the
The
profile
profile.
page.
Okay.
Yes. All right, so let me see your update profile button. Is it in a row?
I'm coming. Let's me. Yes, in a row.
It's in a row. Okay, so there's something we need to do right now. It has to be, we have to put this big button, that's the button itself, inside a column. So right click on the button,
Then
itself.
wrap inside the column.
Yeah, wrap inside a column. The reason is because we want to put another thing beside it, which is going to be what we will use in adding an image.
Okay.
Should we do it like that? Well, I think it could make sense. You can later on, I think you're better at UI, so you can later on work on it. So you've added that. Then go ahead and click on the row. Click on the row, the row, the row, the row,
Oh,
the row.
sorry. Okay.
Click on the row and then click on column. Like, you should be selecting the row. The row is not selected. Just select the row
Yes, I've
first.
clicked on it. I've clicked on the row.
Okay, it was still showing column on my side. Then click on
Mm.
yeah, that, then add column. Inside the column add yeah, inside the column add an image. Then give the image maybe 40 by 40. So inside the column add an image. Okay, so then give it the dimension maybe 40 by 40. I think that might work. So 40 by 40. Then
Or should
reduce
I
the,
reduce the
yeah, reduce
button?
it. Yeah, reduce the width of the button from, I think that was 360. Reduce it to
Yes.
300. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now you can later on work on your UI for real. So
Yes, I
sorry
will.
about that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is click on the button. Sorry, not the button. Click on the image.
Okay.
Now we want the user to be able to when they click on the image, they should be able to like, they should be an action. That means they will be able to like upload something from their system or something. So click on action, then add action, then scroll down. You will see just keep scrolling down. If I don't know, scroll down, you see I'm also looking from upload media. So you see
Media. Okay, I've
upload,
seen it.
yeah. So
Okay.
upload media, then you go to upload, which one is that? Save photos. Go for the second one, upload and save file.
Okay.
Then go to the upload type, click on it, make it a Firebase, file type, wait, is that file type that you clicked? I don't think that's file type you clicked.
Yes. Okay.
File
File
type,
type. Right? Okay. Okay. Okay.
yes. Oh, okay, all right, please go back to the go back, click on the upload file to, wait, why is yours quite different? We need click on the very first part. That's the upload file to Firestore. Let's change it back to the other option. Scroll down, then go to upload media, then take the very first one, not the second one. Okay, so okay, now this is weird. Okay, either camera or gallery. Click on that. Yes, go for gallery.
Okay.
I think we are done with that. Okay, so now that we are done with that, now the idea is you've given it an action that when users click on it, it's going to take them to their gallery, basically your system. And then from there, they will select a picture, and this picture will store it in a temporary file in a widget state. So the next thing we need to do now is click on your update photo, and let's add this extra field to it. Go to action.
Under the action, right? Okay.
Yeah, go to action. Then open it. Open the action flow editor. Then add field. Then this field is going to be the photo. I think photo URL.
Yes.
Photo URL. Yeah. Then scroll down to set the source. Change from specific to from variable. Then click on set. Yeah. Go to the widget state.
Then photo URL.
Then scroll down. You see uploaded. Yeah, that's it.
Fine.
So that is it. You can go ahead and then close it. And now go to the main photo where you have beside the display name.
Okay.
Yeah, click on it. Then click on the the icon we always click to set the source of the picture. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know why. Do you know where I'm referring to? Yeah, that
parts.
small icon. Yeah, the part. Just click on it. Then click to edit this. Okay, you had already set it up.
Yes,
Okay.
I've done that.
Okay, all right. So close it. So it's fine now. So go ahead and then upload the picture. Like relaunch it, rerun it, then upload the picture. It will take a couple of minutes. So all right. So while that is running, let me just check if we have another person. So Delphine is already here. So Delphine is the next person that is going to share. So Delphine, the thing is, this it shows you that your device is not connected. It says you will need to connect your mic before I can add you to the stream. So I can add you to the stream, Delphine. I can see you in the studio, but it says that your device does not have a mic or a camera. So says your device does not have a mic or camera. Delphine, I don't know if you can hear me, but you will have to please, you'll have to either go off the studio and join again, or I don't know, try to figure out a way to fix your microphone. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, please try to do that. And while we are waiting for that, who else has okay, yeah. So please, no, you have to join with camera. It's just the protocol for StreamYard. Yeah. So please, you have to, Delphine, I mean, you have to join with camera. It's still showing here not connected, device not connected. So try to join with your audio. You don't need to show yourself. You can see other people don't need to show themselves. So but you just need to have your video, like you have to join with everything so that you can share your screen. That's just like the protocol for StreamYard. So the field for uploading the image is set below. Yeah, you can position it anywhere. He's going to redesign it for himself. We're just looking at the functionality, right? So yeah, we're just looking at the functionality. So you can rework on that. Yeah, Crispin, welcome. Yeah. Okay, so Ben, please get ready to. I just saw here. Get ready to make a presentation, and please, you should be join the studio like already. Um, go to. So Felix, try to go to the profile thing and let's see if it works now. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a picture somewhere? I can just use this one.
I want to just try
Yeah,
this.
just use this to test things. So you wait for a couple of seconds. The thing is this, right?
Okay.
You would have waited for a couple of seconds. You know, some files might take.
And
Yeah,
thanks.
that's.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah, you should
I
have
think
waited for
this
a couple
file
of
is
seconds. It's
this
small,
file
but
is
maybe
like
you're. Okay, maybe it's large. So just hold on for a couple of seconds. Later on, you can add an action that delays a little bit and then pops up something, just so that your users don't need to wait or something. So I think
okay.
this is okay. You can just click now. Let's see. It should work now.
Profile updated. Okay, it's fine now. Now, once I click on
Okay.
profile updated, it means I have to refill all this back for it to reflect again.
No, it hold on. No. Yes. You have to fill it all over again because now it's saving empty data. It's saving empty data. So what you need to do is you can set the fields that are not compulsory. Like there are some fields that you
Okay.
can set and some are not compulsory, some are compulsory, some are optional. So like that, it won't be updating the one you've not filled. That means it will not submit the one you've not filled or something like that. Okay. All right, let's thank you for joining the session.
Okay.
Um
Thanks so
let
much.
all right, you're welcome. Okay. So Delphin, you're still having the device is not connected issue. And okay, all right. So let me see something, please, guys. Because I would like to just follow other, right? Yeah, so if I am not mistaken, Ben 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 said he's gonna like mention he's going to present, right? So please let me just add Ben quickly too because I think he said it first, please. Delphine, please just hold on a couple of minutes. So Ben, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
All right. Okay. So please can you share your screen so we can try to fix your issue as well?
Can you see my screen?
Uh, Not yet. I'm going to add you to the stream. So Peter, I'm going to kick you out of the studio. Sorry. Go and watch it from YouTube, please. Thank you. And okay. So Bami, I'm going to kick you out of the studio too. All right. Okay. So great. So Bami, really sorry, really sorry. I kicked you out of the studio. Please watch from YouTube. Thank you. When it's time, let's say you want to make a presentation, you can join back on the studio, please. Thank you. Appreciate. Okay, so multivan. Oh yes. Okay.
All right, so you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right, so everything is perfect, but
Okay.
I have a bug that I have struggled with. When a user signs in, I've checked out my logic, it's correct so far, and I've tried rewriting it as much as possible and touch the Firebase. But when I come here, so for example, I have choose@gmail.com 6. it works. Everything works.
Okay.
But when I try to in, this is where the problem is.
Okay. It doesn't sign you in. Okay. All right. Go to your FlutterFlow dashboard. Okay. So let's click on the sign in button, then open the action flow editor. Let's see the flow that you did. Okay. So you said authentication, login. If talent is true, then why did you start with okay? Talent is true. Navigate to talent, and if it's false, check if client is equals to true. Navigate to true, and then okay. So you have done everything fine for this, right? So okay, navigate to client. If this, then if it's false, go to founder. This founder should have been equal to true as well. Why is it just founder? Click on the condition for the founder. Let's edit that. Tap on it. Yeah, then go to the what you have on there. Yeah, click on the edit button, the pencil button. Yeah, then click on the pencil button again. Okay, so exactly conditional. How did we do this at first? So we need to go to scroll down and look for it's okay. No, you've not set the founder thing. Click to edit. Okay, so conditions, single conditions, the first value, pick the first value, click on onset. Authenticated user, scroll down to founder. Yeah, then if founder is equals to no, go to set value. You didn't set the value. Set value for click to set the value. No, where are you? You're starting all over again. So the idea is you have to set both values. Click to set the value and choose first value is founder, then equal to, then we have to change it to true. Authenticated user, then founder, then equal to is already there. Set for the second value, just click to set it. Then click on the source. From variable, scroll down, click on set. No, there's a problem somewhere. It's supposed to give us true or false.
False, yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to give us true or false. So go to your just leave it like this for now. Go to the Firestore inside FlutterFlow, like the database inside FlutterFlow. Let's look at your schema. No, not inside Firebase, FlutterFlow. Go to the storage. That's where we do create the collections inside. Don't worry, just take it easy. We're here with you. Okay. Yeah, that place, exactly. So click on that, then go to your click on the other button. The one on the left hand side. No, the one on the left hand side. That one. Click on it. Great. So now we are in detail. Founder is Boolean. And why didn't it pop up that like that? Okay, so I think everything is fine still. Let's check it again in your Firebase. Let's confirm in your Firebase. Just let me just confirm in your Firebase. User details. Oh, I see. I see where you have the problem.
That's right.
Okay, so the problem you have is you're putting these things inside. Click on your users. Click on your users. Yeah, bro. This is where you have the issues. Click on each of those documents. Now, this is what we are using to authenticate, really. We are, okay, now before I even buttress that point, hold on, let me confirm here. Let me see, hold on, please. Let me log out of top one. And then log into... Sorry, let me just confirm something. Then, so that is for multi-van. Okay, so let me see. So here in multi-van. Okay, yeah, I'm correct. I just wanted to fix the hunch. So we don't have anything like user details. We have just users. Yeah, so and then your stuff, you're storing your stuff inside user details. The true or false thing, everything is inside user details. So let's go ahead and then delete the, okay, before you delete, let's go, don't delete it first. Let's just go to, click on the users, the user collection. No. Click on the users collection. Then, so begin to delete, where is it? What should you delete? Okay, let's not delete. You can delete the other ones later. Let's just fix one, then you can see the rest. Click to add another field inside the collection. Click add field. No. Add field. Yes. Add put their talent, then founder, then client. Like make them booleans. Change to boolean, and then fix as true. No problem. Add another one there. And false. Founder, boolean, and false. Only one should be true. Okay, so now that we've done this, you can go ahead and look at that email. The email is hera@gmail.com, right? Okay, try to use that email and log in. Let's see. Let's try to diagnose again from that point. Try to use that email, like from what you had simulated before. Yeah, try to log in with that one. We have changed some things in the database. Hold on. We have not fixed that thing that happened in our database. Like we have not fixed that founder equals to something. Yeah, so go back to, yeah, good. Go back to, let's click to edit it. No, not this one. These ones were fine. No, these ones were fine.
Yeah.
It
I'm
was
just confirming with that. I want to compare it.
okay. I just go down. Let's click on that. Okay, so click on it and then click on the second value. Click on that from variable. No. Cancel it again. There is something, there's a major condition that you have done and it's not right. And I think it follows every other thing. Click on that. Let's see. We have to set that one first. Okay, that one is founder. That founder, where is it from? So click on it. Click on the founder again. Click on edit. It's from authenticated user.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's correct. Click on, just tap it again, founder. Let's just be sure we're confirm. Then it's equal to, go to that second value now. It's not gonna be from variable. Just no. Go back to specific value. Put it at specific value. Yeah, exactly. This is it. So if it's no, you click on turn it to true. No, it's supposed to be true. Like if it's true, then because that's what we wanted to do. No, yeah, click change it to true. Yeah, and then that's it. Okay, so now we're fine. Try to go ahead and log right? Yeah. So try to go ahead and log in. Just run another session first. Let's keep it in case this is an old version. Yeah, but still try to use good. I like your strategy. Yeah. The password is invalid or the user um what password did you use before?
Second that. Okay.
No, the,
Let,
the
let me
email
edit
address.
it. Let me
Okay.
edit it in Firebase because I can't remember the password.
No, you can't edit you can't edit them here. You can't edit passwords here.
Yeah, I want to
Uh,
get a user. Like I want to add these fields to truth. I think I remember truth's password.
okay, all right, go ahead. Okay, guys. So usually, sometimes when another person is like presenting, it might take some time, and yeah, but we are all here to learn. Myself, I'm learning. I didn't even know about that. The issue that who was that? I think that was let me see, the very first guy that wait, hold a minute. Yeah, that was coach. Yeah, that coach's problem. That was like the very first time I'm encountering it, and so it was nice to learn. So you fixed it. Can you go to yeah, try to sign in. Let's see. I just want to be sure that your stuff is working. Please be careful about what you're showing to public.
It works.
It works now. Okay, so great. Okay, all right. So no problem, and that is it. So I'm glad we could help you in that. Yeah. Okay, but I hope you understand how it was fixed, Ben.
Yeah. I do. I
Okay.
understand that condition.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right. Okay, I'll take you off the stream now. Okay. Okay. Delphin. Yeah, Bami, I've seen what you sent. You said you will like to present. Yes, please, you will. I will definitely give you an opportunity to. Delphin, it's your stage. Are you here? Hello, Delphin. Delphin, are you here? Can you hear me? I can't unmute you because you muted yourself. Are you having network problems? Technical issues? Okay, you're presenting your screen. So Ben, sorry, I'm gonna kick you out from the studio. Please watch from YouTube. Thank you. Spasiba.
Okay, can you see me now?
Yes, I can see your screen. Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is what I was trying to show you. My collection is not showing. I can sign up, I can sign in, but it's not showing on the Firebase, on the
Okay.
Firestore database.
All right, no problem. Go to FlutterFlow.
Okay.
Yeah, go to FlutterFlow. I think since you cloned the project, right, and then you added your Firebase project ID, I think maybe you didn't you didn't no, like go to FlutterFlow, like the dashboard. I don't mean like the app. Okay. Yeah. Go to
Yeah.
setting.
Here, right?
Go to yeah, here. Go to settings. The gear icon.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, then okay, so here we're going to just troubleshoot. I really don't know what is the problem, but I am guessing that that's the problem. So let's go to Firebase.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here it says regenerate config files, manage outside of Flutter, make user uploads private. Okay, so all right, hold on. Let me just inspect my site just so that I can know what you can click. So here
Okay.
in Firebase, yeah. App assets, app details. Where is it? Let's go to permissions. No, authentications. Enable authentication. Okay. I haven't seen that. Okay, so let's start by fixing it, like trying things out. We're going to just be trying things out. So click to regenerate your config files. Let me
Okay.
see your project ID is what is the last four numbers of your project ID?
Okay. The last four is 5641.
5641. Please go to your Firebase project. Let me just be sure that you are in the exact Firebase project that you're trying to see created user collection. Yeah. So in case if you swap it, then you'll be having issues. Go to your Firebase. Let's
This
see
is it.
if it's
Yeah, this is it.
okay. 5641. All right. So we've confirmed that. Let's go back to FlutterFlow now. Then regenerate config files. Let's start with that.
Okay.
Okay. I see. So when we are done with this, the next thing, okay, we're done with that. All right. So the next final thing we can do is click on that thing that looks like the sail of a boat. Yeah, that one where the one that looks like a sail of a boat, close to remove, and it's on top. It's on top.
On top.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Okay. So
Is it here?
It's
Is it within here?
yeah, it's within there. It's one of those green buttons. It's one of those green buttons.
Okay, this?
Yeah, that one. Click on it.
Firebase setup wizard.
Yes, click on it. Yeah, so click on next step. Let me confirm if you did say it should create collections.
Okay.
You turned on the create user collection. It's turned on. Everything is perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Just do back and let's look at your collections in
Okay.
yeah, let's look at your collections in
I should go to skip, right?
no, just click out, like click outside.
I'm clicking outside.
It doesn't work. Just
close.
click on skip.
Yeah.
Click on skip. Click on skip.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to your collection inside FlutterFlow. Let me just confirm that. Okay, so basically I'm just doing diagnosis. I don't really know what the issue is. So user collection is turned on. Okay, so you have your email string. All of these ones actually came like that. So okay, so um
Yeah, apart from the last three that was
the
added.
last ones, okay.
Yes.
Click on the settings for this Firestore, that the gear icon. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
it says here user collections is turned on, Firestore indexes, validation, Firebase schema validate. Okay, click to validate your schema. Although we don't
Yeah.
have anything there yet. Yes, click to validate it. Let's see if there's gonna be an error.
Okay.
At least if there's an error, we can know where the problem is coming from.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds. It's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, it's taking longer than normal, but it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Successful.
Say successful. Okay,
It's
so
done.
let's go to your login page. So you said when you try to create an account, does it
Yeah.
take you to the home page? Does it take you to the home page when you're creating an account?
Yes, when I create account, it takes me to the home page.
But it doesn't show in your. Oh,
Yes, it doesn't show. There is nothing on the database. I
yeah,
can sign
yeah.
up. In fact, I've signed up to 6 different accounts. Same
Okay,
thing.
good. Yeah,
It
please
takes
go
me.
back to
Okay.
yeah, go back to Firebase again one last time. Let me confirm if you've turned on your storage.
Yes, my storage is on.
Storage is on.
Yeah, right.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's on.
It's
Click on
on.
it. Let's just click on it. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
I don't even understand what the problem is. It's crazy.
well,
So
sometimes
this
it
is my
happens like that.
story.
Yeah, okay, so hold on, let's see. It has not finished loading from my end. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Click on authentication. Sorry, click on is it authentication? Yeah, click on authentication. Let's see if there's any data there.
I should click. I should click where
No,
authentication.
yeah, click on authentication. I want to see if we have any data in authentication. Because normally when your users create an
Nothing.
account, there's nothing there.
Yes. The only nothing.
Okay, so that's really weird.
This wait. Yeah, it's only the Firebase this thing.
Okay,
That is there.
so
This one was because it was an old account that I used, so I just had to delete everything on the database to use it. So this one is an
yeah,
old.
I think that's the problem. I think that's the problem. Let's do like this, please, so that we don't kill ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, always use new Firebase
Because
projects.
I tried it with Multimat and it worked with an old this thing. This is the first
Yeah,
time
but
I'm realizing.
yeah, it can get complicated. Right now, we have tried a lot of diagnosis and we don't know. So it's best just go ahead and
So I have to,
create a new project and then get create a new Firebase project. Then get the
okay.
project ID and then let's go ahead and regenerate. Yeah, so that we don't kill ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Namdi. Very soon you'll be able to make a presentation, but that will be after Bami. Yeah, just hold on for a couple of minutes so you can make a presentation.
Let's use Tinder. We have two projects. Okay.
Okay, so click on continue. It's finished. Are you here? Yeah. Then copy the Firebase product ID and then let's take it to just do the normal basic setup. You can add Firebase at FlutterFlow.io. Then after that, we have to turn on the Firestore database. Then after that, we turn on this. Okay, we have to turn on authentication first. Yeah, just do all of those basic steps so that we can move on to the next thing. Did you turn on authentication? I didn't see. Did you turn on authentication in Firebase? Please go back to Firebase and turn on authentication. Yeah, build. Then we have to turn on everything. Turn on authentication. Then after that, turn on Firestore. Then after that, turn on storage. We have to turn on everything.
Error, getting email.
What did you say?
I saw a pop-up error updating email when I clicked on the enable.
Just click on save. Click on save.
Email password enabled. Okay.
All right, then turn on Firestore storage.
Database first before storage. Before it will not work. Right?
Yeah, Firebase. Yeah, Firestore. Yeah, this one first before the storage.
Database. Yeah. Okay, then storage.
All right, so yeah, just turn on the storage and we're good. Let me inform other people that have any issue to join the labs, because this is if at all we were doing these on WhatsApp, Delphin, this would have been almost impossible to figure out. So it's
Yes,
better like this. Yeah, it's better like this, so you can easily try different things and figure it out. I think after this is gonna work.
I hope so. That's I hope so because
It will work.
okay. Let me see. Okay.
Then copy the project ID. If you had copied already, let's go to FlutterFlow and paste it and regenerate files. Go to settings. No, settings. Yeah.
Yeah. Firestore. Yeah. Okay. Firebase. Okay. Remove.
Yeah. Add the Firebase projects. Then connect.
Okay. Regenerate config file, right?
Yes. Regenerate config files.
Just want to be extremely sure.
Yeah. And please, I am suggesting it to everyone else, please just be creating new projects, like new project, because I am sure this is gonna work. Um and so just like a suggestion, just be creating new projects. If you run out of the maximum number of projects you can create on Firebase, just use another email, create
Okay.
another one.
So here is that all? Yeah, right.
Yes, that's all right. Hold on. Click on that thing that looks like the sail of a boat again. Let's just
Okay.
confirm that it's still the way it was. Click on next step. uh
This is it.
okay, then click on start building. Let's go back.
Okay.
All right, then go to your widget tree. Then let me confirm, this is the last investigation I'll be making. So go to your sign up. Let's go first to your sign up part, then click on your create account button,
Here.
and then open the action flow editor.
Okay. This
Okay,
is
so
it.
you said your authentication, create accounts, and then navigate to main page. Email address, create. Password, create. Okay, so everything is good. So let's run the application, like run it all over now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, in our group. Okay, we're going to attend to you immediately after Namdi. So after this, Bami will present. Then after that, Namdi. Then you'll present. All right. So don't worry, we'll be here for a while. I really hope as many persons can join so that we can just like get solutions to our individual project issues. Yeah. So have you run the project, Delphin?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
running.
it's not showing us the screen. At least let's take us to the screen so we can know how long we're gonna wait. Okay, so
Yeah,
all
sorry.
right.
I forgot to switch to the team.
Okay, all right, no problem, no problem. Okay, guys. So I'll just use this period to give a pep talk. So the idea about the whole training, right, is for you to get a skill, and this thing is hard. Like really, it's hard. I won't lie. Okay, so it's hard, but it's worth it, and it's really exciting. Really, if you look at it very well. Okay, yeah, Lintochi, you will also make a presentation. So if you look at it very well, it's very hard, but it's very interesting, and it is something that will really help you. Let me give you guys a story. I'm trying to like not make you guys feel that we're wasting a lot of time because we have to wait for this project to load up. So in 2017, I had I built a platform. Okay, I needed to build a bookshelf for university students. Then I was still very new in this whole tech thing, and I didn't really, think that Nigerians could do it. So I thought that okay, it's only going to be Indians that can build the platform for me. So I needed a very simple website, right? A simple website where students can create an account and upload study materials. Maybe they just upload materials they want their friends to benefit from, and then what else? And then maybe we as an organization, the admin, we can go ahead and then get resource materials and then stock it inside this bookshelf so that university students can download it. Okay, so try to log out and sign in. Let's see. So now we what I did was I went ahead and then I raised some money. Like I raised some money, $300 really. I raised some money as at far back 2017. I was broke and hungry, but I still raised $300 to pay an Indian, someone that was way. It worked, right? This
I
work?
have to go to database now to check.
Yeah. Go to database and refresh. It's going to work. So I went ahead and paid this Indian. In fact, that one of the days I was supposed to make a deposit for him, I almost lost my life because I didn't look at the route very well. The Indian had threatened to delete my website because of what I didn't balance him. I had already paid him $200 first before he needed his balance, and the guy was like threatening me and all of that. So I was worried, right? And then imagine the amount of money I spent that time. All right, amount of money I spent that time to get that thing done. And funny enough, he didn't even build a good platform. It was, yeah, we have a record now. So he didn't even build a good platform. Yeah. So we didn't build a good platform, and he used deprecated codes, and I had spent like $300 on it. Right. Later on, the platform got hacked. The platform got hacked, and I lost the business. It was called Rocky Shelf. It's still there on Facebook, like a Rocky then Shelf, right? So the business crashed like that, right? So, but now, had it been I had the skills that you guys have right now, I can build anything. I can at least try a lot of things. Like, okay, if God blesses me with an idea, business, a strategy, or something, right? Or I just want to build something for the community as a solution, right? All I just need to do is use FlutterFlow and build it, and it's affordable. I can pay a couple of money for the hosting, right? And that's it. If you don't have a lot of people that will use it, then use the regular domain, which is whatever, let's say whatever .flutterflow.app, right? So just use that for now, right? So you don't get to spend a lot of money trying to experiment on your ideas. So this is a huge opportunity. All right, so Delphine, I'm glad we've been able to solve your problems, and please next time, just use a different
It,
Firebase
it,
project.
exactly.
Okay,
Next time, I'm not going to try that. I
okay, no
tried it with
problem.
Multimat, it worked. So I just felt okay, I could continue with it. But why
Yeah,
I'm noticing, okay, oh, sorry, never mind. I made it, I was on the wrong screen. All right, thank you very
okay.
much.
You're
You
welcome. You're welcome. All right, you're welcome. Okay. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed my pep talk, right? So it was just to encourage you to keep doing this thing, like keep learning this stuff. Just keep learning this stuff because it's going to help you out a lot. Like it's going to help you out a lot to save you money. In 2021, I spent money again. Spent that one was the Nigerian developer. Okay, so I spent money again, and I don't really want to talk about that one. So this is like a super skill that you're getting for free, and I really want you to really appreciate it and like make good use of it. Okay, so that's it. Delphine, sorry, I'm gonna kick you out. Please watch it from YouTube. Thank you very much. Like why I said kick out is that's the keyword that that StreamYard uses. Like if I right click on your display, it shows you as kick from studio. So kick. That's why I said I'm gonna kick you out. So bye. Okay, so we start with Bami. Hello, Bami.
Hi, can you hear me?
Oh, I can hear you clearly.
Okay.
So how can we be of service?
You should have my screen now.
Yes, I do have your screen, and your screen is live. Okay.
Yeah. So my problem is that once I run the Tinder app, it shows me black. Okay, let me just sign in again. So once I sign in, it goes to a blank page. Like it doesn't show the content in this home page. Like all the contents that are supposed to be here.
Did it
Like
show before? Did it show before?
yeah, before I did all the database settings here, it showed, yes, but later on it stopped showing, it just shows blank.
Yeah, we have the same. Who was that?
But it shows in
Uh,
the preview.
yeah, Peter had the same problem. Was it Peter? Coach. Yeah, I think it was Coach. Yeah, Coach Peter. Yeah, so he had the same problem, and we fixed it. So the thing is this: like according to the rules that you set up in your conditional flow, right? for display of elements in your main page, right? Everything has to be available. A lot of things has to be available for for it to be able to show. Now, that user you just signed in, is it an old user or a new user?
Old.
Can you go to the database? Let me see. Go to Firebase. Let me see whether that old user has all the details that they're supposed to have. Which
Yeah.
user?
I'm trying to find.
Okay.
Maybe. No, not this one. It had all the details of the user.
Okay. So I don't know if it's me alone, but I can't hear Bami anymore. And his screen is frozen. Is it from my end? Okay, so guys, I don't know if it's from my end or it's
Can
from.
you? Yeah. Am I still
Uh,
live?
oh yeah, you're live, but I think we lost you at some point. Your screen was frozen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I noticed that as well. I'm trying to find it. I said that it had all the details, all for the all those matches rejected and stuff.
I just want to confess. Ah, it doesn't. It doesn't.
No, no, that's not it. I'm trying to
Okay.
find it. That's not it. Those are the new ones we just created today.
Okay.
Uh, those ones from Mockaroo. I was. This is it. This is the user.
Okay. Okay. So the reason why it's not showing is because you've exhausted the number of people you can match with. I think
Oh.
it
Uh.
shows here. It shows here matches. Scroll down. Let me see for rejected. It even has a file for rejected. So I think you were also doing 2 by 2 like I did. So you were doing like 2 males, 2 females, if I'm correct. So I think you've run out of options. That's why it's also not showing for this particular user. So let's go ahead and fix. I think that's the reason why it's not showing. But now, I think the main question is not supposed to be. I don't have. I have a blank screen because yes, by condition scenario, you should have a blank screen. But now that's the other things that we had put on the screen. That's out of options. Or, yeah, that's what it's supposed to show on that screen. So
Yeah.
yeah, so let's go back to your FlutterFlow and see how we can make that to work. Yeah, so that means whenever you're out of options, that it should actually show. So click on the out of options widget, like it's inside a column. Click on the column that the pop-up is inside. Then click on the conditional visibility part. Then okay, so it says okay, not document exists. Okay, and then let's go to the other one, the column that contains all the main elements of the main page. I think it's on top. Yeah, so no, not that
This
one.
one.
It's this other. No, it's this one with the eye on it.
Oh,
It should
okay.
be this one with the eye on it. Please click it again. Just let me see what it closes in, like what it has inside its belly. Just close it. Like click it again. All right. So okay, yeah. So this one is under this one, and okay, so it's fine. So click on the conditional visibility. Let me see what is there. Documents. Okay. Document exists. Okay, so this is fine. Click on the document exists. Let me see. Click on that document exists. Okay, so go back and click on the other one, the other column. Let's see if I thought you had applied the opposite statements.
I did. I think. Yeah.
You applied the opposite statements, and okay, so just go ahead and run it all over again. Maybe you're using an old version of what you had run.
I've run this thing
So
like 1 million times. Let's run again.
okay, okay, so just try it again one more time. Let's see. Okay, so let's just wait for a while and see. Right. So where is the other guy? We might need to. That was Coach Peter. Coach Peter, I don't know. Are you still here? Peter Felix, please. Are you still here? If you're still here, please just say hi. I might need to see your screen. Okay, so if I told you're still here, I don't know if I told you you're gone, but if you're still here, please just say hi, because we might be able to gain some insight from your work and run diagnosis on Bami's work.
But his problem was a bit different though. He's logged in to show
A
logged out
new
options like straight up.
no, his problem was like when he creates a new user, new users don't get to see options to pick from.
Yeah,
That was his
but
problem. So
it showed
yours,
out of options. Mine is showing full blank.
yeah, showing full blank. Okay, so I think it's similar problems actually. Although for yours, right? Okay, so yeah, Peter is here. So Peter, just hold on. Let's finish looking at this. Can you please go back to FlutterFlow where you were running it? Yeah. So let's see. We need to confirm something. Hold on, Peter, please. Let's try and Bami
Okay,
check
it's
whether
done.
it has finished. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
It's just loading.
Let's try to see if it's gonna work now, because I think your own problem, Bami, is the fact that out of option button is not working, because you have that particular user a has a value in the match. Okay, it's not still showing.
Okay, should I sign in with another account maybe?
Okay, well that's fine. You can sign in with another
But
account.
I feel like
But now you
since
but now
I
you
already
yeah,
matched,
but now you've already added like very new users and you've not set up the other things.
other things, what things?
Like the matches array and the rejected array, like for the other users that you added from the Mockaroo stuff.
Should I quickly add so I can sign in with one?
That's gonna take a lot of time, but okay.
What is there again? Matches.
Yeah, matches. Write it spelling well. Matches. It's an array. Yeah, then rejected is an array as well.
I think that's all right.
Yeah, I think that's all too. So I just hope that you have the name conventions correct. Okay, so just copy the email address and
But what
try it.
password will I use though?
Oh yeah. So now, okay, yeah, this is crazy. Okay, now let me mention it now. You're not supposed to use Mockaroo to import user details. Like if you import emails, it doesn't mean that you will be able to use those emails to, because those emails were not authenticated, they were not signed in, so you can just bring in users. All right, so you can use it to import things like, okay, like when we were working on the food app, right? So you can use it and import maybe the documents for food that has maybe continental, the local, and all of that. You can use it to import stuff like that. But for this one, right, it's not really advisable to use it to import emails and details that were supposed to be added from authentication. Sorry, I didn't mention that, but that's the situation, because you can't use this to log in. Because if you go to authentication right now, you won't see this data. Go to authentication in Firebase. You won't see the data. If you go to authentication in Firebase, you won't see the data we just added. You only see the ones you had signed in that were properly authenticated.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. This is the only ones you will see. You won't see the other people, right? So that is one thing that I needed to mention, right? So right now, and I think oh, Kelechi said he cannot access his FlutterFlow since yesterday. Okay, we'll check that out too. So so that is it. I don't know what contribution I can give to your project right now, no, really. So but what I can do now is the only thing that I feel your project has no problem. The only thing you just need to do is remove those yeah, you will need to remove those documents you just added. Yeah, because it was for us to just learn, right? So just for us to learn how to just put these stuffs inside it. You shouldn't be presenting this screen, so we don't have like a repeated screen. So what I think you should do is I'm going to ask uh Peter to just come back in and then share his screen. I need to see his screen for those conditional flows. I need to see just his screen for that. Then we will see how we can fix it for yours. Okay.
So I need to delete these ones I have imported.
Yes, you have to. Unfortunately,
Can I
you have
do
to
that
delete it.
from the Firefull app?
Yes, I think you can. Go ahead and like try to see if you can mass select and delete. I think you should be able to delete from there.
Okay.
Okay, but I'll take you off from the stream for now. Let's just bring in Peter. Let him show us his screen so that I can just confirm that thing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so Peter, please, can you join the studio, please? I just want to see your screen, your dashboard for the Tinder application, right? I want to just see the design, not the design. Like I want to see the conditional flow. Yeah, because yours worked and his didn't work. So I just want to see it. So please, can you click on it to? Yeah, great. I've added you to the stream. Please just help us share your screen. Let's just see what is missing.
Can you see my screen?
Oh, okay. I had to add it to the stream. Yeah, I've seen your screen. So, yeah, please go to the main page. Okay. So, please click on the the pop-up. Like, click on the pop-up. Then let's look at your. No, not the pop-up itself. Like, what the widgets that the pop-up is inside the column. Yeah. And then click on the conditional. No, not action. Not action. Go back. Go back. Click on the conditional visibility. Just see there. Click on the conditional visibility. So it says this, tap on it. So apply opposite statements. Document exists. Okay. Uh all right. So that's it. It's correct. So go back to the other one, the one that has to do with the main component. Let's also look at it. No, not that one. There's one here that says the main column main content. Yeah, that one.
Okay, so
Click on the conditional visibility. Document exists too. So this is exactly how we did it yesterday, right? So it should actually show. But Dami, please just try and see how you can check things again and just confirm whether you followed everything step by step again. Please just check it out. All right. So Peter, thank you very much.
okay.
All right. Okay, so Bami, I think what I'm gonna do is personally we will try to look at it together, myself and you. Yeah. So let me try to see how I can talk to others, right? How often do you do these lives? Disney. We do it the lives every day. Every day we have classes. Uh there's I don't know how to pronounce your name, but this comment, how often do you do this? So we do it every day. Yeah, we're having a program called Nocode Africa. So we basically teach early stage African startup founders how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes. You know, so using FlutterFlow. Okay, so we have it every day. We have classes every day, but today was basically labs, and during labs we just like share problems like this. Okay. Yeah, Bami. Okay, nice, nice. You're able to delete the collections via Fireflow. Nice, nice. Okay, so we will try to solve it out, myself and you. I will try to create time. Um. Okay, so and then this comment from Ivan Martinez was also good. Click the three dots and delete documents. Yeah, this works. Okay, so who was the next here? So I think that should be Namdi. Wait, so hold on. I think Namdi said he's gonna present before in agro. Okay, so Namdi, can you hear me?
Yes, please, I can hear you.
All right, so let's see where how we can help you. Like which of the projects do you have issues with?
Right now, I'm working on the attendance app. And first of all, when you run the app, it will just take you to the logged in page already. Then, secondly, the time stamp about the logs, that error is still there.
Which
I've
error
been
is
trying
that?
to, for the logs,
Can you present a screen so that we can see like the issue exactly? Is it convenient
okay.
for you to
Yes,
present
yes,
your
I'm
screen?
doing that.
Okay, yeah, please just try to present your screen so we can like know exactly what the issue is.
So let's start to view. Chrome. All right. Okay. Can you see this?
Okay, let me add it to the stream. I've added it to the stream. We should be able to see it now.
Okay.
Okay, so where exactly do you have an error here?
Like, you know, when you run the app, you're supposed to land on your login page instead of already logged in page. You will just load this.
Oh, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. It's quite
Yes,
simple to
this is
fix
the
that.
first one. Yeah, yeah, this is the first one. Then what I'm battling with, it's from the attendance log. You know, when you go to the description where you will click the start class and end class.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let me use the end class. Let me just use, at least it's supposed to come out from the database, if at all.
Okay.
Now this, I've ended the class. The database is supposed to capture the timestamp, like we. So when you go back to the attendance log, it will only just load only one single document, which is just for the start. I'm coming on.
Okay.
My laptop is a bit sluggish.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so I think I understand. That means the rule for you that means you've not added like proper actions to the start and the end class button. Okay, we will go and look at that. Let's go back to the attendance log. Click on the back button and go to the attendance log. Let me just see what you see.
I've clicked on it several times right now. It's not going on. I don't know if it's the sluggishness of the laptop or something.
It doesn't look like there was a button on it. So use your browser's go back button. Like use your browser's go back button. Use
Yeah,
your browser's go back button.
there
Like
is. I've
the
been operating it.
I think you didn't link an action to that thing. So click on the attendance log.
I
Let's
did.
see.
I did.
Okay.
Now for
So
the
it only
log, this
shows
log
you.
just show
Okay.
just this.
Please, can you? Okay. All right. No problem. Go to the FlutterFlow dashboard, and I think I can hear myself. Are you sure the YouTube video is not
Okay.
on? If it's on, just mute it, but allow it play. Yes.
No. The YouTube video is not on. No,
Okay.
the YouTube video is not
Okay.
on. I
All right. No.
closed that. It's not even on my tab. I've closed the tab of YouTube.
Okay. All right. So
Yeah,
go back to the.
I'm using a speaker. I don't have a headphone or earpiece.
I get it. Okay. So just go ahead and then click on go back to the FlutterFlow dashboard. Let's fix the very first problem at least. Let's start with that one.
Okay. Can you see my screen right now?
No. I can see your screen, but it's still showing the logs.
Oh, why? Okay. How about now?
Yeah, I can see your screen now. Go to settings. Go to settings. The gear icon. I think your system is a bit slow. Maybe either system or
Oh
network,
God,
but
what kind of thing is this? This is my.
sorry about that.
Yes, the system. It's an old system, so that's why I'm just frustrated because I can't really meet up this whole thing. I can't do
Sorry.
things in real time. I'll just be taking
Sorry.
my
Sorry.
time.
Yeah, I get you. Sorry about that. So what you can just do is try to limit the number of tabs you open in your browser if you don't have a very large RAM, and then also try to limit the number of applications that are running simultaneously. So you shouldn't be running a browser and be running Photoshop or any other heavy application simultaneously, except you have like a powerful system that has maybe 16 gig
No.
RAM.
There's no.
So click on the settings. Let's solve one problem first, then because my inability to see your screen in real time, like the progression is affecting how helpful I can be. Yeah, click on the settings icon, then go to. I can't see your screen, so I'm thinking about what to tell you to go to. Um, go to the app details, right? Go to the app
Coming up.
details. Okay.
Oh God. App
Okay,
details.
so yeah, go to
Can
app
you see
details.
it?
Then yeah, I can see it. The entry page is login.
The login page, yes.
Yeah, then the logged in page is dashboard.
The dashboard.
It's
Yeah, where we have the
so
attendance.
it, it's correct. It's correct. That means when you run the application, it should take you to the login page. Why did it take you to
Yes.
the dashboard?
It's taking me to the logged in page already. That's where it takes me to.
Okay. Yeah. I get it. So the reason is because you already have like a logged. Please, can you close the YouTube video on your side? There's a YouTube video on your side.
No, there's no YouTube. It's just the StreamYard. I don't have on my tab. You can look my tab. There's no YouTube this thing on my tab here.
Okay,
It's
because
just
I
the
was hearing
StreamYard
like
this thing here. No YouTube. Okay,
fine, fine.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me see.
I think it's not YouTube. Maybe you have maybe the excuse me boss thing, but
No.
it's
It's
okay.
already.
We're almost done with your session. Don't worry, don't worry. Just go to go back to the FlutterFlow dashboard. Let's try and finish it, please. Um Go to the
Yeah.
FlutterFlow dashboard, then go to this. It says here login. Now, what I was trying to tell you is this: you already have a logged in session. That's why when you try to run it, it takes you straight to dashboard. So what you can do is in the attendance app, you have a
Yes.
logout button, right? You have a logout button, right?
Yes.
If you have a
Yes.
logout button, just go ahead and log out. And if you log in again, if you try to run the application again, you will be taken to a login screen. The reason why you still saw that is because you still have like an active session. When you log in the very first time, right, it stores some sort of your sessions.
Yes.
I think it's form of cookies, something like that, right? And then when you come back,
Yes.
right, it still shows you what you saw before. Yeah, so you just have to make sure you log out if you want to see a new screen. So you can log out, and of course, if you run it again or maybe refresh the, yeah, go ahead and refresh this screen now.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
refreshing.
refresh this screen. Then it will still show you this attendance. It will still show you this login screen. Yeah, of course, it's going to take some time right now. I think it will still take some time, but it will show you the logged in screen. Yeah, so, but meanwhile,
Yes.
while it is doing
So,
this,
but
let's go to,
what's the problem about that attendance log
yeah,
capturing
go to,
the
yeah,
timestamp?
I get it. Yeah, I get it. So go to the dash FlutterFlow dashboard, then go to the buttons for, go to the buttons for start and end. Let me see. Guys, sorry,
All
let's
right.
just be patient with Namdi. Yeah.
Please, you guys, I'm sorry. It's my machine and my network.
Okay, so
And this is the button for
there's,
start.
yeah, so Destiny, I have seen this. Yeah, I'm gonna create this suggestion. I'm gonna implement it immediately, right? I'm going to create a Discord channel. Yeah, so that maybe we can have another community there for maybe foreign users, like foreign audience. Yeah, so I'll try to implement this. Okay, thank you for the suggestion, Disney. I just hope I pronounced your name correctly. So yeah, click on this, then go to the action button.
Okay.
Yeah, then uh oh, no, this is the row. Click on the stats element. That's the container. It was the
Okay.
container
Hold on.
you gave an action to, not the row. It was the container you added an action to. So you can close this, then click on the
Yes.
container. Yeah, and okay, then open the action flow editor.
Done.
Then
I've opened
it
it.
says here, yeah, it says here create a document. It says email, and it says start. uh Create. So it creates, it registers the email. Click on the email thing. Let's see, click on the email part. Let me see. I just want to confirm
Okay.
that everything is in check. Yeah, I just want to confirm. So it's from variable and it's storing it inside email. That's authenticated user email. Click on the start. Click on the start
Okay.
and scroll down. It's storing it
Yes.
inside the start variable and it's Firestore server timestamp. Okay, close it. Okay, so if at all this is correct, I'm gonna make an assumption that the other one is correct. Okay, no, let's not assume. Let's go to the end button too, and let's go through it. Okay, click on it, open the action flow editor. Okay, so click on the end. I think just click on the end. Okay, so it's registered in end. Okay, so close this. Let's go back to the page that shows the attendance logs. I think that might be where the main problem is. Okay.
Roaming.
Okay, so now
Okay.
this is it. All right. So click on the very first part, like click on the
The
list
list
view.
for the first.
Okay. Yeah, the list
Okay.
view. So this carries the list view. I want to know how you queried
Yeah.
this list view. So click on edit backend query.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you're querying collection, logs, list of
Yeah. List.
documents.
Yeah.
Okay, list of documents. You were supposed to add a filter, but okay. You're supposed to add a filter, but don't worry, the filter will just show you a lot of things. But go ahead and still add the filter now. Add the filter.
Okay.
Add the filter, and we're going to be filtering with email. So click on the first filter option, that filter one, like click on it.
I click on filter one.
Oh, okay, no. Click on the filter one, sorry. Then click on the onset. We
Okay.
want to filter from using email. Yes, click on email. Then we want to say the relationship is equal to, that's email is equal to uh is equal to the authenticated user. Click on the onset. Authenticated user email.
Authenticated user email. Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, then after that, confirm it. Then please just remember what we just did right now. You do the same thing in the end part. So confirm now.
Yes, I've
All
clicked
right.
confirmed.
Then sorry, it's taking some time to show on my side. I don't know why it's okay. So click on the start widgets. That's the element, the text widgets. So let's just confirm that you had put the right thing there. Whew. Click on it. Then I thought okay. It's because your screen is okay. So
It's
click
my
on
screen.
the
Oh.
yeah, it's man, it's I can't lie, it's really slow, man, but it's okay. We'll just manage with you. So it shows you start and just click on it. Let me just be sure. Click on the part that's the icon beside text. What we are supposed to click to, yeah, that one. So click on it. Let me just see what you're doing in the other side. Okay, so it's getting document property. It's getting
Should I remove? Then let's just try
no.
passing it
Hold
again.
on, hold on. So it's logs document and it's picking start. It's document property and it's picking Starts, no further changes. Click on that no further changes. Let's see if at all we can find something like time or a date format. Yeah, so use the date format there. Date format. Then click data time format option to select the kind of dates you want to use. Moreover, you're going to have to remember to do the same thing. Yeah, pick that one that you're hovering on. Yeah, just use that one. Then click on
And
confirm.
confirm.
Yes. Okay, so Chine, welcome. We're going to handle the issues. We'll try. Today we'll just stay as long as we need to stay. Because I think I may not be really free tomorrow, apart from just the class. So Jemima, we're gonna look at your problem as well. And then after this is going to be Ian Agro. Okay, so bro, you do the same thing for the end pads. So let's inspect the edits backend. Please just give me like 20 seconds. Just give me 20 seconds, please. Okay, all right, I'm back. Yeah. So yeah, I think you're on track. Just do the other one, and then that will be all. Confirm. Okay, so I think at this point right now we can go ahead and run your app again.
Okay.
And yeah, this should probably fix the issues. If it doesn't, that means we just know that there's a problem with database. But I think so far everything is working fine. It's gonna work fine. So just run it again, and yeah, just run it again.
Oh, Father Lord, this is what I've been passing through all this while since the beginning of the class. And
Yeah, sorry about that.
we don't have like electricity over here. Since last week Sunday, we've not had light. So imagine when the laptop battery cannot survive more than 2 hours. I cannot really do anything. And before you get fuel to charge the laptop, maybe it's the evening, and you cannot just be running on fuel all the whole day. So the thing is really frustrating. I'm just trying
So
to
sorry.
keep pushing and motivating myself.
Yeah, you're doing well. You're doing well. Just keep pushing, man. Sorry about that. I totally understand the system. I have I have been there really. So I totally understand. Yeah. So but God will visit us very soon. We will have the leadership that we need in Nigeria so things can get better. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so while we are waiting, yeah, you're welcome. So while we are waiting for it to launch, like for us to see whether what you've done is what you've done so far is good. So permit me, I'm going to take you off the stream temporarily, and I will check my time. In the next 2 minutes, I will bring it back again. So, but I'll take you off now so I can add someone else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Bami
right.
is Bami is saying Beleo. Yeah. Ego beta. All right, it'll be fine. Okay, it is almost done loading, so let's wait for it at once. No, go back. It was almost done. Let's finish it. Let's finish it at once.
Okay.
I thought it was showing as if it was almost done.
Yes, it's almost done. Yes, it's
Okay,
almost done.
yeah, it has finished.
It's
Yeah,
almost
let's
done.
just wait. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Okay, Ian, please click on the link. Find the link in the comment section. Click on it and join the stream yet so that you can share your screen. Please just try that out.
All right.
Yeah, so this one works
It's
now.
true.
I mean,
It's
your
because
first
of the
problem
cookie.
works.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Yes.
cookie. That's it. All right, so try to I don't know, sign in, or I think you should just sign in then.
Yeah, let me sign in.
All right, Ian Agro, you still here? Please kindly join the studio so that you can share your screen. And after that will be, I hope I'm not jumping anyone. The issue I have is just that when I run to the issue, when I run to the Tinder app, it does not display the picture and name and email address. Okay, so Lintochi, I think what you've, for your problem, let me just display it here. For your problem here, right?
I've logged in.
Oh, you've logged in. Try to attend, try to use the buttons again. Yeah, try to go and click the buttons. Go to attendance, like do the class thing. Okay, so
so I will click the start and the end.
Yeah, you click the start and the end. We just want to see that the timestamp server has results. So Lintochi, yeah, so I think for these, this might be like I hope it's not a big problem, but I hope you don't mind. Try to see how you can say it does not display the picture and name of the email address I signed in with. Okay, so I think you just need to go ahead and then query the entire screen, like query the entire screen for your profile screen, and then go ahead and then try to get those data out like we always do, right? Please just try it again and give me a feedback. You can send me a feedback here or on WhatsApp, please. I will still give you an opportunity. But if you still want to present, please just let me know, please. Just let me know. Okay, bro, you still can go back. Use the browser button and go back. I think that your arrow is, you've not linked it. I know you said you've linked it, but there should be a problem with it. Okay, so go back, then go back. Then check the attendance log and please let it work. Because I'm exhausted. Okay, so it was worked now. It's only start that works. Now there's something wrong. There's this thing that is showing here. This thing is covering something. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's covering something. I will leave you to go and fix that one yourself. Just try to figure out what you have queried that has no information. So go and check out what you have queried. Maybe just confirm your list view for the end classes. Just confirm something. Try to test it, right?
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Ian. Hello, Ian.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I can
you
hear
hear
you. Yes, I can hear you as well.
Okay.
I can hear you as well. Good to see you.
Yeah, same here. Learning
Okay.
a lot.
Thanks.
Yes, no
I'm
problem.
learning to do hard stuff.
Definitely, definitely. So, can you you said you have issues with your food app? Can you like share your screen and let's see how we can help?
Yes. Okay.
If your
Can
network
you
from
see
your
my
end,
screen?
not yet. If your network from your end is not really strong, you can let me see. You have added your okay, yeah, this is it. This is okay.
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 So my major problem right now is this. I think when I tried running it the first time, I arranged the whole thing, but I can't seem to find the continental and pastry picture I used. I don't know. You can see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can see. Let's go to Firebase. It's I think it's a simple problem. Let's go to Firebase.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is it
so I think
fire based on?
Firebase, like the firebase.com, like where we are storing stuff inside, like
Yeah.
firebase.com. Go to your
Yeah.
console on Firebase. And I think the reason why it might not be showing is because that particular document has an entry for image to be empty or invalid. That means, let's say you had copied an email, sorry, the image address somewhere. Maybe that image has been removed from the internet, or it doesn't really work. So I always prefer to use links that ends with maybe .png or .jpj, not really ones that has some numbers and all of that, because I feel that those ones really work better for me. So let's let's go to Firebase. Like, can you go to Firebase so that I can see
Can you see
your...
my screen? Can
Yes,
you
I
see
can
my
hear your
screen?
voice. I can hear your voice. I can see your screen, but we're still looking at the food app. Can you turn off your video? Can you turn off the video stream? It will help save some bandwidth. Can you turn off the video?
Okay.
It will help
Yeah.
save some bandwidth. Okay, okay, great. I'm still seeing the FlutterFlow project. That's the... yeah. I'm not seeing the other one. So try to see if you can present it again
Okay.
or something.
Um, I want to click on the entire screen so you could see.
Okay, now the problem is okay, so yeah, go ahead. I can't see it yet. Like, it's not showing that you're presenting your screen. So still waiting on you. Okay, and meanwhile,
Can you
we
see
have done...
now?
no, you have to click to present, and it has to pop up here for me to... okay, now I see it. Okay, so all right, exactly what I was saying. Now, the ones that we're showing was for which of the food? Was it for the ones that the food that had pictures on them? Was for what? Can you quickly switch the tabs and go back to the FlutterFlow? Let's let me just see the ones that had the images.
Okay.
No, you don't have to always close it.
Okay. How do I work it out?
I thought you're presenting your browser. So the thing is this: click on present. When you click on present, you click on share screen. Then while you're trying to share your screen, don't present your entire screen. Just present the window. So you see window in the
Oh.
middle. You click on it. Then go to
Okay.
the one
Okay.
that has... go to the window that has the StreamYard video. Yeah. So then, like
Can you
that,
see
you
it
can
now?
always... yeah, this is okay. Yeah. So go to the dashboard for FlutterFlow.
You can see it now.
It's... I'm not seeing it yet, but
Can
I
you?
will soon see it. I've not seen it. Like, what I just wanted... no. Oh, sorry. I have confused you a bit there. I want the FlutterFlow that you have run, the run project. I want to see the name of the ones that have the real pictures from the database, so that we can know the ones that yeah. So it's national
This
and
one is the
grill.
national and the
Okay.
grill.
So continental and pastry doesn't have. So let's go to
Yeah.
the Firebase again. Let's go to Firebase and see for continental and pastry.
Okay. So this is continental. Can you see?
Yes, click on it. This is continental. Then what we should do now is go to Google and search for another picture of a continental meal, and let's try to copy a different picture and then come and paste it here. Please be sure not to share sensitive materials, because we have lots of people here, both good and bad people, so that no one hacks your system, please.
Okay.
Yes. So
Yeah,
just
I'll
copy any.
it. So I should edit from here.
Yeah, edit and paste. Then you can paste the same thing in the other one. We just want to confirm that this is where the problem is from.
So I'll delete this one first, right?
Yeah, just deleted everything. Like I would have
Which
done
field
Control
is it
A and
showing?
delete. Just do Control. You would have said
Okay,
Control A.
Control A.
You would have just Control A and delete. Yeah. So yeah, Control A and delete. And
Okay.
paste this new one.
And then
Paste
I
this new
paste.
one. Now, like what I was saying, yeah, like what I was saying. If I'm copying an image address, I like copying the one that has the ends with .jpg or .png. I feel it's that one
Yeah.
really works, because normally that's an extension for images. So I don't know if this is gonna work, right? So can you go back to the Google and let's look for the one that has. Just copy another one, but leave this one the way you've done it. Go to Google again and just copy any other random image. We just want to confirm. Just click another one and copy the right click to copy the image address.
Okay. So I've done that.
Where did you copy the image address from? I didn't see you right click.
I did. I right clicked. That's the image address.
Okay, so actually it's not showing on my screen. Like it's not showing here. Like I'm not saying, but the idea is supposed to right click and then copy image address. So no problem. If you said you've copied it, then fine. Let's go back to Firebase. Then go to the pastry side and paste it in that one. Paste it in pastry.
Okay.
And just click on update.
I've done that.
Yeah. Okay, go back to your app now. Go back to the app that you were running. If it works, it should automatically show. No, not the FlutterFlow app, not that one. The one you were running.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's showing now. Okay, so the images were not correct. And then your sub collection, you have different names there. You're supposed to just have try and use the conventions that I use to avoid having issues, because I saw something Nigerian soups. I saw something like that. So try to use the conventions I use. So this is dishes. They're just supposed to be. They're supposed to be dishes. So go down. I think one of those options. Your collection name was Nigerian soups. Go down again. I think this is it. Yeah. So I think you will have to delete that one and then just call it dishes. Try and maintain the convention. Yeah. Okay. I think we have been able to help. Yeah. Just click on the three. Click on the three buttons on the top right hand corner. Yeah. You can. Yeah. You can. No, that will delete the entire document. I wanted you to, okay, hold on. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that works. Click on that to delete the document. So it deletes the sub collection document. Yeah, that works. Yeah, start the delete. Then later on, you can, like, when you're reworking on it, you can do your sub collection all over again. But I think
Okay, so they all. I should just. I name it. I just have to
dishes,
name
all of
it
them should just be
everything
dishes.
dishes, right?
They have to be the same. Yeah, they have to just be the same. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we deleted the entire collection for
But
that.
wait, I think I just.
Yeah, you deleted the entire
So
collection. I
okay,
just
it's not a problem.
noticed.
I
Yeah.
cannot.
No, you can add it again. Yeah, and then
Yeah.
add a sub collection. No problem. Okay. All right. So I think that will be all for now. Yeah.
Okay, so this is name, and then this is continental.
Yeah, no, use small letters. I always use small letters. And meanwhile, can you do this a little bit
Why?
like the conventions have to be the same. It's data, so the conventions have to be the same. So if you give a field name and you want to use the same field name somewhere else, then they have to have the same spelling. Even when you're creating the collection in Firestore, in FlutterFlow, they will tell you the same thing, that the names have to be the same. So you just have to follow
I've been using
it like that.
I've been using the capital and then the small letter since.
You will run into
If I
trouble.
change,
You will run into
okay,
trouble
so I have
if
to
you
change. That will mean
no if you
changing
were
everything.
no if you were using capital letter, continue using capital letter. What I mean is, if you started with capital letter, continue with capital letter. Don't mix it up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Can you complete this personally in your own time, since we have finished like your main issue? Yeah, so
Yes.
that
Yes.
yeah. Okay, all right, no problem. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. All right. Okay, so guys, we have like we have I think we've done this for, this is the longest session ever. Yeah, this is 2 hours 38 minutes. So let me see. Chineye, I think the next person was Chineye, right? Oh, not Chineye, Jemima. So here, Jemima, I don't know whether you're still here. You said when I create link and share, when trying to access it again, it doesn't work using web publishing. If you create a link and share, when trying to access it doesn't work. It should always work, except the network is bad. It should always work, except the network is bad. So try it in another browser and ensure that you actually did publish the link. That's like the solution I can say. If you understand what I mean, please just drop a comment and say yes, I understand, or something. Try to implement it, and then if it doesn't work, please just get back to me. Right? You can drop it on the meet and greet group, or just send it personal message to me. Anyone works. Okay, so Chine, I don't know if you're still here. So I'm having issues with my Fudo app. Can't seem to find a way to link my other sub collections I was able to do to where the instructor the restore. I would like to present my screen. Thanks. So yeah, Chine, if you're here, please let me know. And Bami, thank you for helping Lintochi. Okay, so Chine, if you're here, please just let me know you're still here, and then I'm gonna paste the link for you to join the studio. Okay, meanwhile, okay, so yeah, I've sent a link. Click it to join the studio so you can share your screen. And okay, so guys, I think that will be the last issue that we will try to fix today. Okay, so we can continue again tomorrow during or after the class. So yeah, Chineye, click the link I sent in, and then try to join the studio, then share your screen. Okay, so but guys, this is gonna be the last issue we're tackling for today. Okay. All right. So Chineye, I'm waiting for you. Okay, so Chiney, I'm still waiting for you. Like, can you try to join the studio? I dropped a link for you to click to join the studio. Please try and join the studio so you can share your screen. Yeah, Chiney, I dropped a link. You didn't see the link? I'm dropping the link again. Click the link and join the studio so you can actually get to share your screen. I'm waiting for you, really. Okay, so it seems Chineye is having issues joining, and I'm not getting any response from her even inside the comments. So we are going to be closing the class. Chineye, can you say something really? Will we be having a lab class? Okay, so yeah, Benita, we're going to be having a real class tomorrow, not labs. We've spent 2 hours, almost 3 hours today on labs, so we won't be having labs tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be having like a real class. Okay, so Chineye, can you? I sent the link. I sent the link. You're supposed to click on the link and it'll bring you to StreamYard, and then you can share your screen. I think it's easy. I'm sending the link again the third time. We will close by in the next 6 minutes. Yeah. Okay. So all right. So you're here. Can you hear me?
Can you see my screen?
I am gonna. Yes, I can see your screen now.
Hello.
Yes, I can see your screen. I can see your screen.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So what specific challenge do you have?
Okay. Okay. So I think while you were handling the previous person's
Problem?
the
Yeah.
challenge I'm having is
Issue.
that I on my Firebase. So I'm having I can't seem to click on other. If I click on beer, it opens the list of beer that is available. But when I go back and then click on wine, it won't display anything.
You've not put anything in wine. That's why it's not showing. You don't have
I
a
did.
database for. Okay. So go to your. No, not that. Click to open. No, I think you've closed the entire scenario. Just click on this arrow, that arrow that is below. The arrow that is below. No. The arrow, there's an arrow here on the left panel. Okay.
Hello?
Go to your Firebase Firestore. Like go to your Firestore database. No. See, click on the go down again after the settings. After the settings, go down. No, go back. Yeah, after that, go down. Click on that. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so
Under food.
food is working. The problem is with the drinks. So let's focus on the drinks.
Yes.
Food is working. You have only 2 elements, 2 documents
So
in.
I have
Yeah, that's the problem.
yes.
So you have drink. Yeah. So this is the problem.
Alcohol.
Yeah. Okay, I've seen the issue that you have. Okay, so the thing is this, you didn't follow the processes the same way. What happened is the drink, let me see. The drink wasn't, we had only food and alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Drink itself was not a collection. Do you understand? Drink was not a collection. Are you hearing me at all?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, drink was not a collection. Drink was not a collection. It was just actions. When people click on it, they will just see 2 displays.
Yes,
They
the
can
drink
now
is
click.
inactive. I didn't use it.
Okay, fine.
Yes, I can hear
So
you.
okay, so the beer is under what? Is it under alcoholic? It should be under alcoholic, right?
The beer is under alcoholic, yes.
Now click on the second document. Okay, so you said alcoholic brands. Click on the second document. The second document in no. The second document under that alcoholic brands. This is the first.
Okay,
Yeah, the second one. Yeah, exactly. So click on this. Click on the third one. I think that's where your problem is coming from. Okay, so I don't understand how you did it, but you have a collection. You have your collection names are different. You
yes,
have
I was
here.
thinking, okay.
You would have just called them brands. You would have called all of them brands, not Spirit brands and the other one brands. I called them brands because I wanted them to be able to like pass the same document from one screen to the other. I didn't want to make it complex. The
All
kind
right.
of
Okay.
the
So
kind
if I
of
call all of them alcoholic brands,
no. See what I mean? Yeah, if you can call all of them alcoholic brands, they will work.
it will work.
Yes.
Okay. I think that's where
So
the
if you
mistake
can
is.
yeah, so go for the other ones now, the sub collections, you can't rename them, so you have to just delete them.
Delete
So
and redo.
yeah,
All right.
yeah,
No
and
problem.
just put it again, but just call
Thank
them
you very
alcoholic
much.
brands. Then for the non-alcoholic part, just call it non-alcoholic brands for all the sub collections like that. It works better that way.
All right. Thank you very much.
Sure, you're welcome. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be the end of the labs. This was like the longest session, but it was good. I feel pumped. Okay, so thank you very much for attending the sessions. I just hope that this session has been very helpful to you and has increased your morale to keep practicing FlutterFlow and then learning how to get this very valuable skill. All right, guys. So this is the end of the session, and we will see you in class tomorrow. I would have said I didn't know that the lab was going to take this long. I was actually thinking we were going to have like 2 classes today, although I didn't announce that. So, but this lab took way too long. So I will just provide later on. I will just record a course if time permits, and then just publish it so you guys can have something new to learn. All right. Okay. Have a lovely evening. See you tomorrow.